I'm testing the Victorinox Outrider today. Final thoughts at the end of the video, plus a sneak peek to something new. So that was my first carving test with the Victorinox Outrider. Seemed to do a pretty good job, but I don't think the factory edge is quite the right angle. These come at 20 degrees on either side. I think I'm going to reduce that to about 17 or 18 on either side. I actually found the Huntsman to carve these things a little bit easier, but with the Outrider, since it's such a thicker, stiffer blade, I was able to remove more material quicker. I think I will like this a lot more once I regrind that edge. And actually, if you're wondering how I'm going to do that, I've been working on this thing so that I can get perfect geometry on my edges. So stay tuned for that.